Hello, scholars. So it's Miss Catherine here, and I want to just give you a very quick tutorial about how to know exactly what courses you have an incomplete in and why you have incomplete markers for those courses. So this is one student's progress page. This is where you can see, as you know, all of the activity for your course. You can see everything that you have done, everything that your teachers have done, and you can see messages from our mentoring sessions. But all the way over here on the right, this is where you can get a really quick view at how you're doing in your courses. So this section over here shows whether or not your courses are incomplete. And you can see that in this student's platform, all 3 courses are incomplete right now. And I just want to point out that that's a pretty common story. And so the key for all of us is to figure out why we're incomplete in each course. And you can see right underneath the course title, it tells you exactly why you have an incomplete. So in Modern World, this student has an incomplete because he or she is behind in 2 focus areas. Sometimes you'll find that there's an overdue project, and there could be also another reason why you might have an incomplete is because you have cognitive scores for final products that are below 70%. So in this case, the main reason for being incomplete is being behind in focus areas, but there's also one overdue project. So please take a look at your progress page and just glance in this courses section right here and see why you have incompletes, because if you're not really clear about why you have an incomplete, then you're not going to be clear about what to do about it. So get clear, and then you and I can talk about this in our mentoring session, or if we don't have a mentoring session, just come and see me or email me about what you want to do to overcome your incompletes and how I or Mr. Bill or Mr. Chris or anybody else can support you. Okay. See you all soon. Bye.